Delyth came into the Senedd under difficult and painful circumstances, but she committed from day one to build upon and strengthen the legacy of Steffan Lewis. She's a formidable politician with a strong sense of values and principles, and she is a good role model for young people and women in politics, and she does a good job of projecting a diverse Plaid Cymru. She's a strong believer in socialism and decentralism, and she will work to champion those causes that are important to people in the South East region. Delyth is a fantastic member of our team. I very much hope that members in the South East region will vote for her to continue to play a valuable role in the Senedd team beyond 2021. Pob lwc, Delyth.